we not only must adapt and we must take care of our people, but we must question all of our projects, programs, and activities, whether these are truly impactful for our Kakailian. For after all, we always speak of our beloved PGIN and of our beloved province of Ilocos Norte, but we must humanize the province. Ultimately, the province is merely a collection of people, and we must put our people first and make sure that everything we do is in service of our people. I am one with you. I pledge my support to each and every one of you, and I look forward to all the great things we will do together. I am proud of what we have accomplished since 2019, and I know that these next 2.5 years in this term holds even greater promise and even greater hope, and we will achieve even greater things in the next few years. I thank you all, I congratulate you, and I pledge my full, undying support to all of you. Maraming salamat po.